Hi, it's June 28th, 2 weeks after we went to Yosemite Valley and we had passed through Tuolumne Meadows. And now we are in Tuolumne Meadows, in the heart of it, where we often have done a lot of climbing, a lot of bouldering. This area that we're in here is called the Knobs Bouldering Area. And it is because there are all these little granite knobs. I don't know, maybe they're not granite, maybe they're quartz. I'll ask Jay. There's a marmot. Where? Oh, there he is. There's a little marmot. Let me zoom in on him. Oh. Marmots are like kind of like beavers in a way. They don't have the same tail. There he is. There he is. Anyway, they live typically above 9,500 feet. Kind of burrow in the ground. They make this high squeaky sound when they're calling each other. It's kind of funny, but they're really cute. And they have been known to be tame, stealing food out of backpacks and whatnot. Let's see what he does. He's looking at the cars going by, it looks like. Anyway, they're pretty rare sighting because of how high up they live. We are, I think we're above 9,500 feet here. Anyway, while we're watching him, I was going to say there's been a lot of California or Northern California fires west of here on the other side of the mountain range, and it is a little bit hazy, a little bit smoky today, but not as bad as it has been. We've experienced a lot of the smoke and haze in Mammoth this week, and then the wind shifted, came out of the east and blew it back to them, so we were wondering how bad it would be up here, but it's not too bad. So this guy's just gonna sit here and sun himself on this rock, I guess. All right, well, I'm gonna go film Jay bouldering. So, bye, little guy. It's quite steep here. We've got a picture of ourselves right about in here that we took many years ago with Jay's timer on his camera, and we say, it doesn't get any better than this. Let's go over here to this rock.
This area we're at here is called the Knobs Bouldering, and it's a pretty lengthy geology explanation as to why these knobs exist, but granite has three main components: quartz, mica, and feldspar. And the feldspar, this would be the lengthy part of the explanation, is that the feldspar in this rock grew large when it was molten underground, and the feldspar is more resistant to erosion than the other two components. So you can see these knobs jut out of the rock and make the climbing here just really, really special. See how big these protrusions are. Pretty special place.
So we stand on them and we hold them to climb up the rest of the rock. And I'm going to get at a different angle here, maybe. Let's see. Some of them are as big as doorknobs. Like, look at this one. Whoops. I'm on a really steep angle here. Where is it? Can't see it in the camera. Look at that. That's what we're talking about here. Along the edges. And just stick out of the main rock. Yeah. I'm getting eaten by a fly here, sorry. Took a chunk out of my leg. Grr. Anyway, look at this one. Where is it? Ooh, there it is. Look at those knobs. That's just a little tiny boulder. Another example. I see our marmot buddy is still sunning himself over there. You see the marmot? He's still sunning himself on the rock. Got a fly bugging me over here. Okay. As you can see, Jay's safely back down on the ground.
Piece of cake.
There's the boulder mat again, like you saw when we were in Yosemite Valley. And there's a guy over there. He just finished that climb.